Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to freeze panes in Excel. So I want these titles to stay at the top so they're always showing there when I scroll down. So the easiest way to do this is to go to View, Freeze Panes, and we can freeze the top row. So you just choose that and now they always stay at the top. So if where you want to freeze it isn't in the top row like this, say like this one, this scrolls up and down, doesn't keep the titles at the top. So what you can do here is you can go to the freeze pane, or you can highlight just below the row that you want it to be frozen at. Go to freeze panes, and you'd click this first freeze pane. And now you can scroll up and down. And you can always take it off by going back there and unfreeze panes. And if you also want to freeze going left to right, you can place the cursor in the corner where you want it to freeze them. And you go freeze panes. Now I can scroll up and down and it leaves the titles. And I can scroll right and left and it leaves the A column. And that's how you freeze panes. Thank you for watching.